Cool. Nah, you said he said, I'm cool. Oh, you recording me?
Hell yeah, I'm recording your ass.
There ain't nobody else on here. We should have recorded this when they had the two people, the Asian and the Caucasian. Word. So
He getting some pussy tonight.
he's getting the coochie tonight. Not only bad,
We helped.
and he bad too.
And we helped.
We helped
Cause she was
got it.
entertained. He wasn't
Basically.
saying shit. So she could have got bored on this whole train ride.
Word.
Like, man, I'm
Matter
not
of fact, she was
falling
looking at me kind of good. Like, yo, shit, I should have took her. Like, what
That's
the
true.
fuck?
That's true. That's true. She was looking like that, but I'm just saying, like,
So
she alright. We co-signed. We helped out for him getting pussy. So if he gets it tonight, 10% of that pussy is ours.
That's right.
All right.
Nah, fuck that. 40%. 40
make
is
sure-
4 of us. It's 10% for each motherfucker.
And the
Hold on,
nigga
let
was
me do that
Asian.
shit right again.
And the nigga was Asian.
The nigga was fucking Korean.
That means his dick is 2 inches.
Yo, he wasn't saying
Now multiply that
Two to
times
three.
6.
2 to 3. 2 to 3.
He didn't even add a side joke. Like, he didn't even add a little.
Wait. Why the fuck are we talking about this nigga's dick size?
I don't give a
Why?
fuck.
Why?
I just said his dick was 2 inches.
I'm just trying to say, we live on the right side of the world.
Do we get off right now? Are we getting off?
We getting off right now?
We getting off.
Yeah.